Let's take this Dollar Tree box top and turn it into something amazing. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. We're going to take a box top and turn it into a beautiful, beautiful round box. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much to everyone who is leaving such positive comments. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today, I am going to show you how to take this rectangular box and turn it into a round box. From time to time, we probably do need round gift boxes or gift bags, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera because y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. So here is the round box that we're going to be making. And the reason why I like using these box tops is because they're already decorated, so you don't have to do much. Now this, when finished, is going to be approximately 8 inches tall and about 3¼ inches round. So this is a nice size box for so many things that you might want to put in it. But it all starts with the box top, and I got my boxes from the Dollar Tree. They come 3 in a pack, and this one happens to be 11 by about 8 inches. So I love these, and I think that you are going to love them too. So let's just go ahead at the joining points. We're going to take the box apart. And then I'm going to bring in my trimmer so that I can trim away the end pieces here. So I just want to get rid of these fold over flaps. And so now all we're going to do is we have a natural fold here. We're just going to go up and make some cuts up to that fold, because this is the secret to getting a round box. You need to have a way for that box to be able to round and then fold over the bottom. So let's just go along the bottom, cutting my little strips here. All right, so once you have the fringe edge, top and bottom, I'm going to take a strip of my tape and I'm going to put one strip on the edge on the inside, like this, and then we'll put one strip on the edge on the outside. Let's just go ahead and get that worked in. So I'm sure that some of you probably have some of these empties, and it's basically the interior portion of our tape runners. They're great for this. So all I'm going to do is just take this, add some tape along the middle, and I'm going to peel away that tape backer. I'm going to peel away this tape backer, and we're going to peel away this tape backer. Make sure I have it on the bottom. We're going to take this, and when we put it down, I'm going to put it down right at the line. And now I can just roll it along so that it will catch on my box. And then we'll take this piece, put it there, and we can take this piece and bring it around to meet. Just like that, y'all. It could not be any simpler than what you just saw me do. And then we just take that end, and because we put tape on it, we now have it nice and stuck. Look at our beautiful box. I'm going to go in on my joint line, making sure I have it stuck. You definitely won't find a box like this in the store. So I'm going to take this, we're going to push this in, and if you don't like how the bottom looks, you can just go along the bottom and burnish until you don't have any of those little cut marks showing. You see how smooth that's starting to look? That's all I'm doing is burnishing this. And there's the bottom of our box. I simply need to cut out a piece to put on the bottom. And the way that I do that is I have this scrap piece here, and basically it's one of the box bottoms. I am just going to put this down, and we will just trace around our circle like that. And don't worry about that because I will be cutting inside of my circle. So let me grab my scissors. I'm going to remove some of this excess. If you want, you can double up on this if you don't feel as though it's heavy enough. But I am simply going to cut on the inside, following the shape of my circle. Because I need to have a circle on the bottom, like this. So now that I have this circle, I'm also going to take this scrap red, because we'll use it for the top, and I'm going to trace my circle. So now we're going to take this, fold these over, and y'all, I'm just going to add some glue this way, and then I'll stand this up, and I'll add some glue to the edge of my circle. And we'll place this on the bottom like that. Let's stand it up so that we can get it stuck. Then I'm going to go on the inside with my ruler and make sure I have all of my little pieces nice and stuck. So let's just go along that base, working in that glue. We want to make sure we have a really good stick on this. So now we have the bottom all done. My sister loves this pumpkin spice scent from the Dollar Tree, so I am just going to put that in there. Add a little bit of shredded paper. Make sure I get that shredded paper all the way in. And we don't always have to spend a whole lot. So there's that. I'm going to go ahead and cut out my little circle for the top. And when I'm cutting out, I'm cutting slightly inside of my trace mark. Then we'll fold these pieces in. Again, I'll take my glue, put my glue on some of these pieces, like this. Then I'll take my glue, put my glue on the round top, like this. Place that on top to close everything. Use my bone folder to get that nice and stuck. And now we have another beautiful circular box. I am going to go ahead and make a bow. And the way that I'm going to make my bow is going to be very easy. I am going to cut off a 4x6 section of my scrap. And then I'm going to cut 1/2 inch strips at 6 inches long. Then I'm going to take my bone folder, curl this a little bit, and then we're just going to take our glue. We add some glue to one end like this, and we join it to create circles. So I'm going to do this with all of these, and y'all, I will be right back. All right, so once you have your circles, we are just going to take some glue, place some glue on the inside like that, and then just press down and fold. Again, just place your glue on the inside where you had that joining seam, press down, and fold. All right, so once we have all of these done, I am just going to add some glue to the center of one like this, and then we just start stacking them. If you want a bigger bow, you just cut your strips larger. So I am just stacking these by crisscrossing. Then I'll add some more glue, add another one like this. And how many you put on here is up to you, but I like the look of having 8 on mine. So then I'm going to add some more glue. I'll crisscross it this way. Add my glue. Come back with the crisscross this way. And this is all you do. And here's our last one. So then we just hold that until all of my little loops dry. Then I can add some glue on the bottom right here and some glue across these. We can take this, put it on top, getting it stuck. And so there we have it, y'all. That's how easy it is to take a Dollar Tree gift box and turn it into a round box for some of those things that you might want to package the way that I packaged that scent from Dollar Tree. Look at how cute that is. I am going to bring that first one back in so that you can see just how adorable and just how fun these are to make. Super, super easy. Just grab some box tops. It doesn't matter where you get them from. I got mine from Dollar Tree, but you can pick yours up anywhere, especially at this time of the year. Then make sure that you save these once you run out of tape, because it makes a great base for how to build a round box. So I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, quick, and easy way to take a Dollar Tree gift box and turn it into these. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, all day, every day, this is what we do, and this is how we do it. So I'd love to have you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you'll know when I upload a new video. As always, my friends, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.